British Army to get more Carl Gustaf M4 weapon systems. Defense Equipment AMP, support to AMP-S has procured additional Carl Gustaf M4 multi-role weapon systems to equip the British Army on operations. A £4.6 million order has been placed with Saab, which includes a package of ammunition and training. These weapons will replace the Anti-Structure Munitions the UK sent to support Ukraine against the Russian invasion last year. The Carl Gustaf recoilless rifle is a versatile system that enables dismounted soldiers to effectively address various challenges and targets on the modern battlefield, firing a range of 84mm caliber munitions for diverse operational objectives. The Army first adopted the Carl Gustaf in its M2 variant towards the end of the 1960s, known in the UK as Mark II, as an infantry anti-tank capability. This procurement is the latest negotiated by the AMP-S for Swedish-developed military equipment. In December, Delaware AMP-S signed a contract with Saab to replenish the UK's stock of NLAW anti-tank weapons, which have been invaluable to Ukraine in defending their nation from Russian aggression.